This is a fantastic question. Using the information given, we are trying to work out the area of the whole quadrilateral. I'm just going to show you some different diagrams to highlight some different triangles that we can use. So first up, it's not obvious, but the blue triangle and this red triangle over here actually have exactly the same perpendicular height and base, which means they're both going to have an area of 15. Half base times height is the same for both, and we can see the area of P SQ is 15. What that means is that this area must also be 15, and therefore the area I've indicated is 10. I can add that onto each of my copies now. Okay. Another useful fact is then to look at this little green triangle and see that it also has the same base as the blue triangle, but it's got an area of 5, whereas the blue triangle had an area of 15. So what that means is the height must be a third of the full height. So I can add that on. This here is, and I've just realized I've not left enough space. This is actually going to be a third h, which means the remaining amount is going to be 2/3 h. Now the final triangle that I'm going to highlight is this purple one. Okay, so that has a height of 2/3 h. But here's the thing, the green triangle and the purple triangle are actually similar because this angle here is equal to this angle here. They are alternate. Clearly this is equal to this because they're vertically opposite, and this one here is going to be equal to that one. So they are similar, and we can see that basically the height of this one is twice the height of the green one, and therefore the area, let me do this in purple, the area is going to be 4 times as much because the base is going to be twice PS. So area of Q, let me label this point C, QCR, is going to be 4 times 5 because I've doubled the height, I've doubled the base, so I quadruple the area. You can also think about it as the length scale factor being 2, so the area scale factor is 4. So this is 20. And that's all we need. We need the area of PQRS, so we can just add these up. We've got 20, 30, 40, 45. So when I did this question, I didn't do it as quickly and as logically like through that. I think I noticed the similar triangles first, but I worked my way through it and then I basically used these facts just in a slightly different, well, I noticed some of them, but you have to kind of use them in this order overall. So well done. This is a great question. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.